exploring the phenomenal journey of XG, hits, heritage, and fan fervor. Ever wondered how XG skyrocketed to fame? Stay tuned to uncover their incredible journey. From their initial struggles to their rise as global icons, their story is one of determination, passion, and talent. Don't miss a single detail. Welcome to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the phenomenon known as XG. Their remarkable journey from obscurity to stardom is filled with inspiring moments and unforgettable achievements. Let's explore what makes them truly special. Let's start with their humble beginnings and how they evolved into global icons. XG began as a small group with big dreams, gradually capturing the hearts of fans worldwide. Their evolution is a testament to hard work and unwavering dedication. Discover the story behind the formation of XG and the masterminds who brought them together. Each member's unique talent contributed to the group's dynamic synergy. The visionaries behind XG carefully curated a lineup destined for greatness, setting the stage for their future success. Learn about the challenges they faced in their early years and how they overcame them. From financial struggles to building a fan base, XG's journey was fraught with obstacles. Their resilience and perseverance turned these challenges into stepping stones to success. The pivotal moment that catapulted XG into the limelight came with their electrifying performance at a renowned music festival. Their energy, stage presence, and undeniable talent captured the audience's attention, turning heads and earning them a spot on major music charts. Following this breakthrough, XG's chart-topping hits took the world by storm. Their unique sound and catchy melodies resonated with a global audience, leading to widespread acclaim and a growing fan base that eagerly anticipated each new release from the dynamic group. Their debut single was an instant hit, resonating with fans worldwide. Its infectious rhythm and relatable lyrics struck a chord, quickly climbing the charts and establishing XG as a formidable force in the music industry, setting the stage for future successes. The album that defined their career solidified their place in music history. Featuring a blend of innovative sounds and heartfelt lyrics, it showcased their artistic growth and versatility. This iconic album became a staple in their discography and a fan favorite. Award-winning tracks further cemented XG's reputation as musical trailblazers. Each song, meticulously crafted and emotionally powerful, earned prestigious accolades and industry recognition. These tracks highlighted their ability to create timeless music that continues to inspire and move listeners. XG's musical style is a masterful blend of genres, creating a unique sound that resonates with a diverse audience. Their innovative approach combines elements of pop, hip-hop, and electronic music, setting them apart from their contemporaries and captivating listeners worldwide. Their lyricism is both profound and relatable, addressing themes of love, struggle, and personal growth. Each song is crafted with care, featuring thought-provoking lyrics that invite fans to reflect on their own experiences, making their music deeply personal and impactful. XG's live performances are a testament to their artistry and dedication. Their shows are meticulously choreographed and feature stunning visuals, creating an immersive experience. Fans and critics alike praise their energy, stage presence, and ability to connect with the audience. The group has enriched their discography with notable collaborations, working with industry giants to produce unforgettable tracks. These partnerships have expanded their musical horizons, bringing fresh perspectives and new styles to their work, and further cementing their place in the music industry. XG's innovative approach has left a lasting mark on modern music trends. Their willingness to experiment and push boundaries has inspired countless artists. Their influence can be seen in the emergence of new styles and the evolution of existing genres. XG's dedicated fan base is a testament to their universal appeal. Known for their unwavering support, these fans have been instrumental in propelling XG to global stardom. Their loyalty and enthusiasm are evident in sold-out concerts and trending social media campaigns. Heartwarming stories from fans highlight the profound impact XG's music has had on their lives. From providing solace during tough times to inspiring personal achievements, these narratives showcase the deep emotional connection between the band and their listeners, fostering a tight-knit community. Social media has been a powerful tool in spreading XG's influence worldwide. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok have allowed the band to engage directly with fans, share behind-the-scenes content, and create viral moments that amplify their reach and popularity. XG's creative merchandise has become an integral part of their brand identity. From limited edition clothing lines to unique collectibles, these items allow fans to express their love for the band tangibly, further solidifying the bond between XG and their supporters. Beyond music, XG has made significant contributions to charitable causes. Their philanthropic efforts have included fundraising for disaster relief, supporting education initiatives, and advocating for social justice. These actions demonstrate their commitment to making a positive impact on the world. XG's cultural impact resonates deeply within the music industry, shaping trends and inspiring future artists. Their innovative sound and boundary-pushing visuals have redefined genre expectations, paving the way for a new era of musical expression and diversity. Behind the scenes, XG's productions are a testament to meticulous planning and creativity. Every detail, from choreography to costume design, is executed with precision. The team's dedication ensures that each performance and release is a seamless blend of art and entertainment. Touring adventures have taken XG across the globe, creating unforgettable moments for both the band and their fans. Their energetic performances and genuine interactions make each concert a unique experience, solidifying their reputation as a must-see live act. Interviews and media appearances highlight XG's charisma and insight, offering fans a deeper understanding of their journey. Memorable moments from these interactions showcase their personalities, further endearing them to audiences and solidifying their status as relatable icons. Fan theories and myths surrounding XG add an intriguing layer to their narrative. These speculations, ranging from hidden messages in lyrics to secret projects, fuel fan engagement and create a sense of community among their followers, keeping excitement high. XG has faced their share of controversies, but their resilience and transparency have been key in addressing them. By openly communicating with fans and media, they've turned challenges into opportunities for growth, demonstrating their commitment to authenticity and integrity. Their legacy is built on groundbreaking music and a unique style that resonates across generations. XG's influence extends beyond charts, shaping cultural trends and inspiring new artists. Their enduring impact on the music industry is a testament to their innovation and artistry. As for the future, fans can expect more genre-defying music and collaborations. XG continues to evolve, promising exciting new projects that push creative boundaries. Anticipation builds with each teaser, keeping their audience eagerly awaiting their next move. In summary, XG's journey from humble beginnings to global stardom is a captivating tale of talent, perseverance, and innovation. Their contributions to music are profound, and their story continues to inspire fans and aspiring artists worldwide. If you found this deep dive into XG fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content that explores the stories behind your favorite artists and their incredible journeys.